today's fast-paced digital age, businesses must leverage innovative technologies to remain competitive. The automotive repair industry is no exception, and Ibodyshop stands at the forefront of this transformation. This article delves into the features, benefits, and implications of Ibodyshop's offerings, highlighting how it enhances operational efficiency for body shops while addressing the evolving needs of customers. Ibodyshop is a cloud-based body shop management system designed to streamline operations in automotive repair shops. Developed by Clear21, a leading software developer in Australia, Ibodyshop aims to modernise the way body shops handle various aspects of their business, from customer communication to parts management. With its suite of mobile applications and user-friendly interface, it allows businesses to operate more efficiently and effectively. The mobile applications offered by Ibodyshop enable staff to manage tasks on the go. For instance, technicians can take photos of vehicles, receive parts and record workshop time directly from their mobile devices. This real-time data collection improves accuracy and reduces paperwork, fostering a more streamlined workflow. The mobile applications offered by Ibodyshop enable staff to manage tasks on the go. For instance, technicians can take photos of vehicles, receive parts and record workshop time directly from their mobile devices. This real-time data collection improves accuracy and reduces paperwork, fostering a more streamlined workflow. 2. Business analytics. Ibodyshop provides business analytics tools that help body shop owners gain insights into their operations. These analytics can cover various metrics including productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction. By analysing this data, businesses can pinpoint areas for improvement and make informed decisions to enhance their service delivery. 3. Claims processing. One of the standout features of Ibodyshop is its ability to facilitate insurance claims processing. Steve O'Brien, a representative from Ibodyshop, noted that the platform processes about 50% of industry claims. This capability not only expedites the claims process for customers, but also ensures that body shops receive timely payments for their services. 4. Enhanced communication. Effective communication is vital in any business, especially in the automotive industry, where customers often seek updates about their vehicles. Ibodyshop offers communication tools that allow body shops to keep customers informed about the status of repairs, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and trust. Ibodyshop also provides robust support services, allowing users to log support requests 24/7. This feature ensures that help is available whenever it's needed, thereby minimizing downtime and disruptions in service. By automating various processes and offering mobile solutions, Ibodyshop significantly increases operational efficiency. Body shops can handle more repairs in less time, which can lead to increased revenue. By automating various processes and offering mobile solutions, Ibodyshop significantly increases operational efficiency. Body shops can handle more repairs in less time, which can lead to increased revenue. Improved customer satisfaction is key. With real-time updates and efficient claims processing, customers are likely to have a better experience. This positive interaction can lead to repeat business and referrals, which are critical for a body shop's growth. 3. Cost savings. Ibodyshop's analytics tools can help body shop owners identify inefficiencies and reduce operational costs. By streamlining processes, businesses can decrease labour costs and minimise waste. 4. Scalability. As businesses grow, Ibodyshop can easily scale to accommodate increased demands. Whether it's adding more users or integrating with other systems, the platform is designed to grow with the business. Counter-arguments and challenges. While Ibodyshop offers numerous benefits, there are challenges and counter-arguments to consider. One potential drawback is the reliance on cloud technology. Some businesses may have concerns regarding data security and privacy. However, Ibodyshop addresses these concerns by implementing robust security measures to protect user data. Additionally, the transition to a digital platform may require training for staff, which can be a hurdle for some businesses. However, Ibodyshop's user-friendly design and dedicated support can help ease this transition. In conclusion, Ibodyshop represents a significant advancement in the automotive repair industry. Its comprehensive suite of features, including mobile solutions, business analytics, and efficient claims processing, positions it as a valuable tool for body shops seeking to enhance their operations. While challenges exist, the benefits of increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and cost savings make Ibodyshop a compelling choice for automotive businesses. As the industry continues to evolve, tools like Ibodyshop will be crucial in helping body shops adapt to changing demands and customer expectations. For those interested in learning more about Ibodyshop and exploring its features, visit Ibodyshop's official website. For additional insights related to automotive claims, check out CarHire.Claims for a broader understanding of the industry landscape. With the right tools at their disposal, body shops can navigate the complexities of modern automotive repair, ensuring a smooth and efficient process for both the business and its customers.